G'day, Tommy here from Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about steering wheels and Boss kits available from Minisport. So this is a Mountney Classic 13-inch steering wheel in which I'm going to be using on Grace in another episode, so stay tuned for that. So what is a Boss kit and why do we need it? Why can't I just bolt this thing directly on? Well, as you can see, the opening there, it's quite round. That is definitely not going to fit on there. So how do we adapt it to suit the Classic Mini or Moke steering column? Well, that's called a Boss kit. Essentially, a Boss kit enables you to mount the steering wheel to this and then the Boss kit to the steering column itself. So it comes with everything you need inside this kit. They are available in both black and chrome. So depending on what you want to do and how your car looks, you can choose either one. I think black goes really well and it's definitely going to suit this. There's not a lot of chrome on Grace, so it's a worthwhile thing to change to suit the classic car. The only thing you will need to use is the nut that sits inside here. And if you don't reuse it, at least buy a new one and make sure you use a torque wrench because there are so many nuts and bolts in a car you don't want to come loose, and a steering wheel nut is one of them. So as I said, it comes with all the nuts, bolts and screws you need to be able to mount it, as well as a push button horn. So depending if you run a push button horn in the center of the steering wheel or you run one on the right hand side where the indicator is, you can choose to run either or either. So super affordable thing that you do need to buy, and they do run different PCDs. So just like different stud patterns on cars, they run different PCDs. So depending which wheel you run, you may need this one or you may need a different one to suit your Classic Mini or Moke. These are super easy to fit and worthwhile upgrading to help your interior look that much better and make your car look something like this. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to check out the full range at minisport.com.au and we'll see you again on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.